or company outing whatsoever, no? Baka makonsider mo tong bagong private resort na located lang guys sa Antipolo Rizal, malapit sa Antipolo Hills. Maganda at malinis ang kanilang place guys. Meron itong 3 rooms at 2 comfort room with toilet and bath at napakalawak na living area na kung saan talagang perfect for your bonding. Nice. Saktong-sakto lang din ang laki ng kanilang pool area na talaga namang makakatulong guys para mabawasan yung init ng panahon. Ito yung name ng resort guys, and for complete details please visit our YouTube channel Aldea TV. At gusto ko din kayong encourage guys, sabi sa Psalms 34 verse 18, the Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. I don't know what you are going through, pero gusto ko malaman mo na meron Diyos na concern sa'yo, and kung meron kang burden, just come to Him. So pagpasok mo guys, ubungan agad sa'yo yung kanilang napakalinis, napaka-eleganteng swimming pool. Alright guys, so check natin tong kanilang living area.